Hi, everybody. Welcome to this month's episode of Software Quality and Beer. Glad to have you. My name is Bob Cruz, here with my partner in crime, Matt Kubal.
Hello.
And we are joined by today's guest, Brian Orlando. Brian does an incredible podcast. So take a minute, make sure you note this down and then check it out. Arguing Agile. It's fantastic. I was honored once to be a guest on their show. He does a phenomenal job, covers a variety of topics. But Brian, if you don't mind, I'm gonna let you shout out and kind of introduce yourself, and then I'm gonna talk again about where Matt and I and where we're broadcasting from.
Thanks, Bob. I'm Brian Orlando. I've for the last 4 or 5 years, Om Patel and I, who is my co-host on the podcast, have been doing the Arguing Agile podcast, where we talk about all of our career experiences. He was a working professional way back in the .com era and many years before we ever met. So he has a bunch of great stories, and combined with my stories on the product management side, I got
even more so, but it would create just so many different lines of code, never reuse code. And then one of the things we're finding now is that it potentially, I don't want to say it introduces, but it doesn't adapt for or account for, that's a better word, doesn't account for different security vulnerabilities. So is that what you're seeing?
it doesn't account for. it acts like you'll hear occasionally people say AI is like a junior developer. That's not really true, but people will say that it's like a junior developer. I can go along with AI is like a junior developer if you're talking about a junior developer that never learns from their mistakes, that doesn't do exactly what you tell it every single time. Then I agree with it.
They'll repeat the same mistake again
Exactly,
next time.
exactly.
Yeah.
So if you tell it, hey, I need you to be sure about security or authentication or whatever. Yeah, don't be exposing those in a log, for example. Every time you tell it, it'll be good about it. But the one time you don't tell it, it will forget everything and go back to whatever its baseline is. And again, we're at the risk of, like, we're at the mercy of some of these models and the way they're trained. Until they get better, it's going to be that kind of tool for a while.
Yeah. So, but your security tools become more important than any of your other testing at that point.
Yes,
Yeah.
and all of these are